The Shang created a social pyramid with the king at the top, followed by the military nobility, priests, merchants, and farmers. Burials were one way in which the social classes were distinguished. The elite were buried in elaborate big tombs with various objects and dwelt for impossible visit in the afterlife. Even elephant was found among the ruins of an ancient tomb. Even an elephant was found among the ruins of ancient tomb. The people who built these tombs were something buried alive with the dead royalty. The lesser the classes were buried pigs from varying size based on status, while people of the lowest classes were sometimes even tossed with down the walls.
Later oppression of Shang Dynasty. The Shang Dynasty fell around the year 1046 BCE in large part because of a very oppressive government. The final king of the Shang Dynasty, Shang Xin, was known for implementing cruel laws, torturing prisoners, and exploiting commoners. Eventually, the people fought back against the king. Some stories tell of Xin committing suicide after his army betrayed him, while others say he was ousted by a rival group. Either way, the Shang Dynasty was quickly replaced by the invading Zhou Dynasty.